Let the operation be defined for all numbers by a operation b, which is equal to a plus b over a minus b. If p operation q is equal to 3, what is the value of p over q? So first of all, we can see that this operation here, it works as, for example, if it says a and between it, it's the operation. And if we have an operation between the number, then it's going to be like this. So here we have p operation q. So first of all, let's just focus on p over q and not 3. So let's just ignore that first. So p operation q, we know that a operation b is a plus b over a minus b. And now we're having p operation q. So that is going to be exactly like this, this here. But instead of a and b, it's going to be p and q. So p, here we see plus, so we're going to just write plus q over p minus q. So p minus q here, which is equal to 3. Now, we want to know the value of p over q. But how do we do that? Because we only know one number and we're given two unknown numbers. How do we do this? So first of all, let's just do the butterfly version. So I like to do the butterfly version. So I mean is when we have an equal sign in the middle and we want to do is p, here we can do the cross. So that's called the butterfly. So p plus q times 1, which is the same as p plus q. So just leave p plus q here. And then we see that the cross here is 3 and p minus q. So 3 times p minus q. So first of all, let's expand this. So 3p minus 3q is equal to p plus q. So now we have done expanding it. Now we want to move everything to the other side. So it's more clear. So 3p minus 3q. Now we want to move this thing here. So first of all, we do it one by one. Let's focus on p first. So p we want to move to the other side, so we minus p. And now we want to move the q to the other side. We also minus q. So that will give us 0 because both of them are on the other side and nothing is here, so it's 0. So here, first of all, let's do the like terms. We have 3p and p here, q and q over here. So 3p minus p is 2p minus 3q minus q, which is 1q, is minus 4q because minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So that's 0. Now we want to make it p over q. So first of all, we want to move one of them. So which one do you think will be better to move? Because if we move 2p to the other side, it's going to be negative 2p and everything is going to be too complicated. And we have negative 4q. If we move negative 4q to the other side, it's going to be a positive 4q. So we'll move the positive one. So 4q is equal to 2p. Now we can finally do p over q. So we must move either 4 or 2 to the other side. So if I move to the other side, first of all, I have 2p is equal to 4q, or 4q is equal to 2p. Now we want to do what is p over q, right? So if we want to, first of all, we want to move either 4 or 2, right? So if we want to move either 4 or 2, it's going to be, first of all, we can leave the p here so that it's 4q over 2. Now, next we want to move the q to the other side. So how do we move that? First of all, we can simplify this. So now it's only 2q is equal to p. Now you want to know what is P over Q? So P divided by Q. So because this side, 2 and Q are multiplying each other, so when we move to the other side, it's the opposite, which is division. So that leaves 2. So P over Q, this is P over Q. This is exactly what the answer is asking for. What is the value of P over Q? And P over Q is equal to 2. So the answer here, the correct answer for this question is D.